Hello students, I am Mirza Asif Beg and today I will take topic circle. So with me come and fall in love with learning. It is very important topic. If we see our surrounding, observe our surrounding, though we observe that there are many things which looks like a circle, like tire of your vehicle, button of your shirt, bangles of your mother, coins of denomination of rupees 2 or 1 rupees, and keyring of your father's bike. So there are many examples. We have to understand where the concept of circle is used. So it is very important to learn about circle. What is the configuration of the circle? What is the diameter, radius? And we can see that the moon is also a circular object. So in this way we can do many things with the knowledge of this topic only. Let's move forward. Circle and its definition. So if we go for the definition of the circle, it's simple and straightforward, but some students take more time to understand. The collection or the locus of all the points in a plane. If your paper is your plane, if you take a paper, the paper is a plane, and if you locate all the points, which points, which are fixed distance from a particular point, means if you take a O point, as we see, just a sec, if you see this is a O point. From here, if we from equal distances we mark points. Equal distances means the distance from O and the any given point on the circle is the same. Then the figure we get is a circle. So there are infinite n numbers of such points which are equidistant from O. We can rotate in this way. We will get a circle. If we take the points and we connect the dots, we will have the figure, geometrical figure, that is circle. It is very simple, but for a particular point and for a particular distance, means if you take O point, that is this O point, and we take 5 centimeter distance from this point, then the circle will be formed. Only just one circle will be which has the center at O and the radius at 5 centimeter. We also can have a radius of 6 centimeter circle. We can draw a radius of 6 centimeter of circle. So in this way it will be a circle. It is not looking circle, but if we draw on our copy or with the use of our tools, then we will get the same circle. So a circle is termed as the locus of points drawn at equidistance. Equi means the equal. Distant means distance. The points, if we connect all the points which are equidistant from the center of the circle, then we get a circle. Okay, the fixed point is known as center of the circle, which is usually denoted by O, and fixed distance, which is from O point to the boundary of the circle, is known as radius of the circle. Radius is used in two senses. One in the sense of radius, like here we have OP as a radius. So we can say OP is radius. Also we can say OP is 5 centimeters. It comes in both in measurement, also in nomination also. The boundary of the circle is known as circumference. This is very important. The boundary of all the linear, all the quadrilateral and triangle is termed as perimeter. We know that the boundary perimeter, METER. But in case of circle, the boundary is known as circumference. This is very important. Sometimes it comes in our exam. So come to first exercise. What we have learned, how we can identify. The exercise is identify the circle in the following shapes and justify your answer. We have learned that the circle is a figure which is drawn by the connecting all the points from equidistance from a particular center. So let's apply. This is a circle or not a circle? This is a circle. Let's suppose this is a circle. We can see, and this is point O, which is center of the circle. So this and this line, all the lines from this center of the circle with the boundary of the circle should be equal. So we can see that the line is not equal in both cases. This is shorter and this is taller. This looks like a circle. That it is exactly a circle or not, we can see with this test. This line is greater than this line, so this is not a circle. In this way we can go to the C part. We know that this is a triangle. After that we can go to D part of the figure. So we can see that this line and this line are equal, right? So also this line and this line is also equal. So this is a circle. So we can see D is the right answer in this case. Also if we move forward, E is a quadrilateral, or we can say square, and F is also a circle. So we have tested and implemented our definition that all the points on the boundary are equidistant from the center itself. So whenever you are confused that this particular figure is circle or not, you can do this test. Let's move forward. Regions of a circle. If you draw a circle on a plane, then the circle divides the plane in three parts. First is interior region of the circle. What is interior region? Interior region, the area inside the boundary of the circle is, except the boundary itself, is known as interior. We can see the figure here. The yellow part is interior of the circle. In this, boundary has not included. So always remember this. What is exterior of the circle? Everything outside of the circle is known as exterior of the circle, right? And on the circle, the points which lie on the boundary. In this way, in this figure, we can see R and P are on the boundary, not on the interior, not on the exterior. Also in this way, we say that A is the point inside yeah, interior of the circle, right? Also, how to denote a circle? We require at least 3 points. 3 points for denoting a particular, recognizing a particular circle. That is, in this case, we have Q, R, P. These points can be anywhere on the circle. In this way, we can say that Q, R, P is a circle. Right? So for this lecture, that's it. And if you have any confusion, you can directly contact me, or you can comment on the chat box, or in the given in the video. Okay, so if there is confusion, be enthusiastic. Always try to connect with the practical aspect of your subject to have a greater interest in that particular subject. Thank you. Good evening.